Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Allow me to share my why, how, and what I do. I chose to be a fashion startup consultant because I love working with passionate and creative entrepreneurs who want to master the process of working with Vietnamese factories. I resonate with serious startups eager to learn and move forward. I crave the energy that startups have. I get great satisfaction answering their questions and calming their anxiety about investing money and working with factories in a foreign country that speak a foreign language. This is my why. So how do I do what I do? I start with a list of production steps and figure out which steps you have already mastered and which ones you have not. Each step has decision points that only you can make. I explain the options until you are ready to choose, and then we move on. That is how I do fashion startup consulting. What do I deliver? I work with you to complete your tech packs, order quantity breakdown list, and quality control checklist. With these three things in hand, I take you to the factory to work directly with Vietnamese garment technicians and merchandisers. The ultimate goal is to get a price quote and counter samples before committing to production. My background is that I moved to Vietnam in 2008 and started working as a salesperson for a t-shirt factory in Ho Chi Minh City. I was getting contacted daily by fashion startups asking me the same questions over and over. So I decided to write down all my answers, which led me to becoming an author. I am proud of the books I have written, and I'm confident that if you are a fashion startup, the books will serve you beyond your expectations. This journey of writing broadened my knowledge and increased my network because I interviewed many local garment industry professionals to tap into their expertise and share with you. Read my books or hire me, and I will ease your fears and walk you through an action plan to realize your garment production needs in Vietnam. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, podcast, or newsletter to stay in touch. If you are ready to get started now, then choose the best link below. See you in Vietnam.